This game is a set of 28 cards. Nine yellow cards. 9 pink cards. 9 blue cards. And 1 red card. 2 cards have same picture. Let's play first game. Distribute cards among all the players. All players will throw 1 card each. One with highest number will win the round. If 2 or more cards have same numbers, then the card that was thrown last will win. Let's play second game. Spread all the cards upside down. Flip the card to get same picture and win. Let's play third game. Give 3 cards to each player. And put others on side. Put 1 card from these cards. If you want these cards, then you have to put 1 out of 3 cards you have. Your goal is to make a pair of 3 cards with same number but different color. First one to make 3 pairs will win the game.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find. think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to